I see something wrong here. Do you see something wrong here? This header, well, it's not even colored, but it's also not all the same capitalization. We have highest here, all caps, and we could definitely just rename these, right? Do all caps, but I don't want to be messing up the word. I don't want to be holding down shift here. I'll show you real quick how to capitalize these. I'm going to go insert a row above. I'm going to do upper A2. I meant A2. I'm going to take this blue dot on the bottom right corner, and I'm just going to drag it across. Now all of these in the first row are capitalized, all upper. Now if I delete this row, reference error. But what I can do is highlight, Command C, and now I'm going to paste values, Shift Command V. Then I'm going to delete the second row. Now I didn't have to spell anything again. I do have to change this from my misspelling, but everything is capitalized very quickly.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.